Beginner's Guide to Power BI at TechCon 365. This session will provide you with the knowledge that you need to quickly become productive using Power BI. You will be introduced to Power BI licensing, Power BI components, using the Power BI desktop app, using the Power BI service, how to create reports and dashboards, and learning resources. During the demo, we will import data from more than one source, transform the data, create a report, publish a report to the Power BI service, create a dashboard, and schedule a data refresh. Attend this demo-rich session at TechCon 365 and get started with Power BI. Find out more at techcon365.com.